Hi, sixth grade. We are going to look again at the differences between a web browser and a search engine. A web browser is an application or program on a computer that allows you to open up the internet and access the websites on the internet. Here in our district, we use Chrome because Chrome works best with Google and we are a Google district. Now, on the computers here in the computer lab, we also have Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is not a bad internet web browser. However, it doesn't always work well with Google. So that's why we use Chrome. Now, down here at the bottom, if you do not have a Chrome icon at the bottom, you probably have one over here on your desktop. So I'm going to open Chrome. And here we are. I have a couple of tabs open already, you see. But this is what a web browser is. It is this program or this application that allows you to look at different websites on the internet. Without a browser, you cannot search for things. You cannot use a search engine. You need a browser to actually open up the internet. Now, in your Chromebook is actually a browser in and of itself. So you don't have to open the browser on it. It automatically has it open. And obviously, since it's called a Chromebook, the browser on it is Chrome. Now, once you get your browser open, you have all kinds of different types of search engines. Obviously, for us, Google pops up because, again, we are a Google district. You can type up here in the address bar or URL bar, or there's always a search bar here. So I am going to type in because I'm Minta, and it's going to bring up several different websites that will give us information on vipers. And if that's not enough, you can always click here and see more, and it'll give you more. This is where the tricky part comes in with your research. You cannot just click on one and expect it and read and think, oh, well, here we go. This is my information. As we move through the rest of the class for this quarter, you will be learning how to determine a reliable web page from one that is not giving you reliable information. But that's a different lesson and not for today. So, in conclusion, your web browser is that application that we use to open up the internet and access the websites. Your search engine is that application that is online and allows you to actually read those web pages and to search for different web pages to help you with any kind of research. And here I am showing you, well, let's try this first. Search Alpha. If I get the wording right, we'll see it. There we go. Here are some search engine icons. Obviously, Google is one of the most popular, especially in the United States. Yahoo and Bing come in a close second. Ask is another good one that a lot of people use. And AOL is still around. It was the very first one. It's still around. I don't think a lot of people still use it. We have DuckDuckGo, which claims to be more secure and safe than other search engines. And then there's some lesser ones down here. So that is it for our lesson on a web browser versus a search engine.